All right, still a buy stop, by the way. 10-second. We've already done it once, twice, 3 times a lover. All right, off. Put it on. We're going to monetize. What is today's? Shit, I don't know. It is 8:30, and it is Friday, and it is the safety trade, and I have too many. Oh, good, I'm going live, taking that one off of there. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Let me get this one right here. Control A, then Control C, and then Control C. There we go. Let's swing on down here and grab our keywords, whatever they call themselves, the tags. All right, guys. Hopefully, y'all made some money this morning. We had a really good morning. Called out a whole shit ton of great trades for y'all. We are live from Las Vegas for the next month. We haven't even hit. We're supposed to be here September for a month. We've already been here for like a week and a half. That's pretty funny. All right. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, cool. We got a Trump ad on our side. That's funny. Safety trade. There you go. There you go. Appreciate thumbs up from everybody. Appreciate it if you give some thumbs up. All right, let's see our chat. Jones 808. What's up, Grant? What's up, Jones? What's up, Tony? What's up, Bree? I'm on all three. I don't know if you guys know that song. What's up? What's up, Bree? Oh, shoot. I'm not even up. Let me get, I'm live on TikTok. I haven't looked to see who's here. I used to worry about the haters. Now I can give 2 fucks less. Oh, shit. We got my voice up. Don't want to hear my own voice. There we go. How's the sound on YouTube? Is it okay from here? Because I really don't feel like holding the damn mic. Let's see. Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? We have Tony. Thanks for being on both, Tony. What's up, James Sparks? What's up, R. Marcus? What's up, Hayden? What's up, everybody? Da 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 da. What's up, Vilio? What's up, peeps? What's up, Julius? Thank you for being on both Tony, TikTok, and YouTube. Good afternoon, Grant. Another awesome week. Yeah, it was a fun one, Mr. C. Good morning, or good afternoon, Mr. C. What's up, Grant? Sound is great. Oh, okay, good. I don't have to hold the damn microphone. All right, I think that's everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, really good audio on YouTube. Well, fuck yeah. That's great because I don't have to hold it close to my mouth. And thank you, Grant. Thank you, Mr. C. All right, I think we're golden on both. You can currently see the buy stop in effect going up to the 10 seconds. Already done it multiple times on gold. I gave out a free US 30 buy stop, by the way. I said, why the fuck not? And I gave it out here, and I gave it in our Discord room. I suggest all of you that are paying for the signals, make sure you're in the Discord room over here, the do not share signal room. If you're paying for signals, for the signals, you get this signal room. I suggest you go there because I'm going to start making out a ton more free signals. Now, maybe not so many while I'm here in Vegas for the next month, but I'm telling you, for the next, after that, I'll be making out probably 2, 3, 4 signal trades. They're just going to win. They're not going to ever, I won't call anything that's even remotely possible of losing. So I'll be calling those out in the signal room. If you're paying for signals only, do you have access to the signal room? If you're paying for signals, you have access to this room right here. Boop. Okay. If you're paying for signals, I'm going to start giving out free signals in the signal room all the fucking time. Trust me, when I see one just while I'm watching TV or something and we're sitting around, I'm going to go in that room only and send out that signal only, like I did here. So from here to here, from the free signal I gave you this afternoon just a little bit ago, you'd be up, damn, 113, over 100 pips? Are you fucking kidding me? I gave you guys a free signal in this Discord room, thinking nothing of it right here. This is my time. You can't edit it. If you edit anything in Discord, you know it was edited. It's not edited. Wow. That is insanity. I can't believe I called that trade. I gave you guys in the signal room a free 100 pip trade. 100 pips over and going, by the way. Wow. That was pretty nice of me. Sevens, if you understand that I'll be giving out a lot of signals only to the people who are paying for the signals, only in the Discord signal room that says do not share signals. That'll be starting, well, it already started today. I gave you a free 100 one. That's crazy off of a 1 minute call. Son of a beeswax. Yep. 30-second US 30 buy 1 minute. Holy fuck. And that's up 100. Is that right? Is that 10 pips or 100? Hold on. Somewhere around there, somewhere up to there. Over 100 fucking pips. Woo-hoo-hoo. Sevens, if you understand that if you have the signals, I'll be sending out personal signal room signals to the signal room. Damn, that's pretty nice. Much appreciated, Filio. Awesome. Thank you. You're welcome, Tony. That's crazy. Good morning, Trey. Gun this afternoon for us. Good afternoon. It's 3:39 my time. I think it's 12:39 Vegas time, but we stay on Eastern Standard Time here. Wow. So Ryan Marcus is the only one? Okay, Tony also gets it. That's crazy good. Wow. Damn. But I'm going to do it all the time for you guys. Fuck that shit. That's my view. Fuck that shit. I'm going to give you guys all the... You support me through the signals. Fuck even learning it. I'm just going to tell you when to fucking do something. How about that? Meow, 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 meow. Da, 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 da. All right. Please understand that I am not a financial advisor. This is demo trade only shit right here. You are looking at the only safety trade system. It's the only system in the world that has United States of America. This carries weight, guys. Imagine all the other thousands and tens of thousands of systems and traders in the world. There's one and one and only, and thanks to God, that has United States of America Patent and Trademark Office issued a trademark to the safety trade system to me and my wife. It's registered. It is applied for. This is signed, sealed. The seal right here, signed by her. I don't know who this is, and delivered to me. And we are the only ones with a class 41. Understand this and remember this. Coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. Hell fucking yes. If you name another system and it has that, I'll apologize and say, okay, there's two of us. But right now, there's only one. Understand, we have an NDA. Understand, we have a patent pending, provisional patent on this. On all indicators, all the names are trademarked. We have an NDA on it. Bingo, bopo, bango. And guess what else? I am not a financial advisor. You guys are an adult. Make your own damn decisions. We only demo trade. I'm just a social media influencer and probably not even a good one at that. And we only trade the green up arrow and the arrow. Please type yes if you understand those things. I'll need a yes on TikTok and a yes on YouTube, please. What's up, Trey? Oh, no worries. What's up, Michael Moyhan? All right, peeps. Thank you, Ryan, for saying yes on TikTok. You save TikTok alone. Thank you, Trade Gun. Yeah, meow, meow, meow. What's up, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter? Nope, and Twitch. Not Twitter yet. We'll get back on there. Look at this. This is a free call out. Called out right here in that room I'm talking to you about. Do not share signal rooms if you're paying for this. I'm going to post it up just like this, just like I did. US 30 buy stop to 1 minute blue line today at 1:29 p.m. I sent it out to that specific area. This is the call. This is what I was reading right here. Then it's gone up over 120 pips since I made this call. Not 10, not 12, not 15, which are excellent. Over 100 pips. Holy fucking shit. How on earth did I do it? Well, before I get there, I also gave you a free call on a gold. And the gold was a gold buy on a 10, on a 10-second, I believe. Yeah, here it is. This is your 10-second gold buy line when I called this out in the actual email I sent out to you all. This was it right here. From here to here, gold has gone up. It won't be as dramatic as US 30, mind you, but it has gone up from 2,500. Oh, yeah. 2,500 to $2.50 an ounce on the email I sent out to you guys on gold for the 10-second buy. $2.50 an ounce on gold you made. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Yes, I'm singing a meow song. I don't care. When you make the correct calls as I do, I guess that gives you the ability to sing badly and pick which songs you want to sing. Thank God and God alone for the system. Wow. What's up, Dad Bods? What a great morning this morning. In the email I sent this morning, there was a call out for, I think that was, let me go to my emails. Hold on. For SPX. That was accurate as fuck. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. 8 hours ago, I called for NAS, SPX, and US 30 to be a buy. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a hint. You're in the money. You're in the money. Tra la 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 la. You're in the money. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Woo! So I gave you a call out this morning, 8 hours ago, that was in the money. Then I proceed. Oh, here it is. Then I proceeded to give you. Got to be careful floating around here. Shit tons. I gave you a call out in the Discord. I just gave you a free call out 19 minutes ago about 10-second blue line, gold, that's in the money. So I suggest a couple of things. Start signing up for your emails. Look at the fucking emails and pay attention to the fucking emails because they're going to make you some demo money. This was a 15-minute buy. It formed right there. Easy peasy. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I guess there's a premium Discord. What's up, Strong Force? Nope, there's two Discords. One Discord's here. That's for everybody who's bought the system. You all get it. It's right here. Everything's always open. If you're paying for the signal rooms, I guess you can call that premium, but if you're paying for the signals, you get the signal room and you get the signal Discord. There's nothing premium about it. If you're not paying for the signals, you do not get the signal room and you do not get the signal Discord. So if you're paying for signals, I guess you can call that premium. But let me give you a hint. If you're not paying for something, you don't get it. You get listen to all the rooms you do get. The prayer request room, the sniper room for your membership, your learning room, your police support room, your system call out rooms, your safety trade system room, your trade recap picks room. What you don't get is the signal room because you're not paying for signals. If you're paying for signals, you get it. If you're not paying for the system and you're not paying for the signals, you don't get any Discord room because we're not having any public fucks in our rooms. I can't stand the public. They're ignorant. They don't know anything. get mad at me. They try to defend Fibonacci. Fibonacci is a joke. There is none. Zero possibility of you becoming in the Discord unless you pay. So if you want to call that premium, so be it. Premium it is. Yeah, paid to score Strong Force. I figured you weren't. Awesome. So let's go over quickly how you can take a shitty ass, no one can possibly trade 10-second trades. I don't give a fuck who they say they are out there. No one's going to be trading it. Everybody that wants to come on and trade 10-second, 5-second, 1-second, 15-second, 30-second trades, come on my live and trade with me like I do every day. Go the fuck ahead. No one's going to take it. This is the call I made out in the Discord room. You're up over 110 pips. How did I make this call? Well, I'll tell you how the fuck I didn't make it. I did not have a blank chart like this on a 10-second. If you had a blank chart like this on a 10-second, you had no fucking earthly idea what any of this shit was going to do in the future. No chance. That white blob is your future. If you look at my call from right here before it went up, I said buy stop at that gold line. There's no fucking way anyone out there knew at a 10. No one, first of all, I've been trading for 10 years. No one's ever been taught to trade the 10-second. You can't, matter of fact, I was taught you can't trade under the 15-minute. You should never go under the 5-minute. Never, ever, ever trade a 1-minute or 30-second. You can't make sense of it. If anybody says they can, bull fucking shit unless you have my system. You can't make sense out of a 5-second chart. You can't make sense out of a 10-second chart. But the system can. So watch what happens. This is what it's looking like raw dogging it. You can't do it. Impossible. You just can't. Add in what? Yeah, you can tell I ate now, can't you? And I got some sleep. Add in our what? I don't know. Add in our system right here. And look, this is what I saw. I simply went off of, look, pink line low. This is all you need. This is all you fucking need. I've been saying this for years now. 3 years on TikTok coming up. 2 years on YouTube. Almost 2,000 videos every day. Pink line low, blue line high, green. Green, green. Up she's going to go. Now, did I know it was going to go up 100 and something pips? No, watch. This is what I did know right here. Watch this. Watch this fucking coolness. Our logo was right here, right when it was happening. This is our logo. Watch. So we have, just watch this shit. We have our logo. It was up. We have the orange line above the yellow and the red, up. We have the Bach, which is uniquely ours, because I created it. It's named after my children and myself. Green, green. We have a fill in the gap. We have the green. We have the 3 greens right here, 1, 2, and 3, the real direction bars. We have the 1 and 2 right here. We literally, I'm going to the blue line, by the way, just so we're clear why I called that in the first place. So we literally, and look at how high it's going now, by the way. So I just called this trade. Look at it. As it was, I called this trade in the Discord. Boom. I'm sorry, I called this trade on your email. I sent this out in your email alert. This gold one right here. There it is. There's the trade. And there we're on gold. Look at it. Watch in stunned amazement of what you're seeing. This is a 10-second. Look at it. These are all your reasons why. And look at it go up before your eyes as you're speaking, as I'm talking to you. Look at it go up as I'm speaking to you, teaching you how to trade in 5 minutes or less. $2,500. Almost 2,504. You're up $4 an ounce from a simple little gold call right here that I emailed out to you right as I went live. Right here is when it went live. There's your uppage. And these are the reasons. Now, would you rather have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? 11 reasons why to take a trade to go up and none down. There was no reason for it to go down. Only up. That's why I called it. Would you rather have 11 reasons? Let's be clear. 11 reasons for it to go up. And has it gone up? Yes, and it's still going up. There it is. 11 reasons why it'll go up. Or would you rather have no reasons? And would you rather have a blank chart? That's what you have to ask yourself. Oh, there's other indicators. I've tried nearly all of them. I can't say all of them because they keep coming out with more and more dumbass ones. I've tried and bought thousands of indicators. They all lag. They all don't work. I've tried guru after guru. That never worked. Oh my God. Don't get me started on some of the silliness I've been in. MLMs that didn't work. Groups that didn't work. A nice lady who marked up my fucking chart with every square fucking inch times a million that didn't work for support and resistance and trend. None of that shit fucking works. What works is a safety trade system. Don't worry. You don't have to doubt or not believe. This will be taught in school soon enough. Abso-fucking-lutely it will. You just wait. We got some big ass shit coming down the road. Oh my God, you got some big ass shit coming down the road. Da 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 da. And this is it. And these are your buys. If you see this buy, whether it's on a 10-second chart like you see here, or if you see this on a weekly chart, it's the exact same thing. This is gold 10-second, but we can go over to here, and we can go over to here, and we can go over to this one right there. And this is the same thing. Blue line high, pink line low, all the fill in the gaps. Everything's the exact same. You have to adjust your logo right here. The exact same thing. And that's why it's in a buy, and that's why you're making money. So it doesn't matter whether it's US 30, doesn't matter anything you're seeing, it doesn't matter. It works over and over and over again. And it's that simple. There are some layers to this. I can make it a little more detailed for you, but that's the gist of it. Da, 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 da. And this is a 1 minute called out for you. And this is also a buy right here in the date and the time. And there it is up. Look at that mother. How much is it fucking up now? This is US 30, so it's going to be huge numbers somewhere around there to somewhere around there. 200? It's up 271 fucking pips. You guys just made 171 pips from my fucking rambling. You just made 170 pips on US 30 while I've been talking to you. Oh my God. That is insanity. Yeah, good luck with another system. I don't care. Any haters, get the fuck out. I can care less. Craig Williams just made money on that NAS 1 minute buy stop. Nice. Congratulations, Craig. Nice. Congratulations. What's up, Nathan? Look at this shit. Giving out free calls on the emails, giving free calls in the Discord. Look at that shit. Look at that motherfucking shit. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say he made money on this NAS. Right here to here, he made 70, 80 pips on the 1 minute buy stop that was just called out. Wow, fuck me. Look at this shit. This system is amazing. NAS is up big too. Yes, Greg, I see that now. Awesome. Wow. Fuck yeah. Who the hell here? Incredible. Again, same exact. It doesn't matter whether it's NAS 1 minute. Okay. Doesn't matter whether the setup's NAS 1 minute. It doesn't matter whether it's Bitcoin. Does it work on Bitcoin? Does it work on Do Monkeys Fly? Okay. I don't want to say that. I was going to finish that up with something. Look, does it work? Yes, the exact same thing. Blue line high, pink line low. First time's always the best. And then we have it going to the blue line. Here it is again, second. Right here, going to the blue line. This is Bitcoin 1 minute. It doesn't matter what the 1 minute is. Doesn't matter whether it's Amazon or Apple. Some guys, I have 2 guys now that strictly trade stocks with it. 2 of them. Strictly trading stocks because it's so fucking easy. I mean, it's almost impossible to screw it up, to be honest with you. Look, there it is. Blue line high, pink line low once, blue line going to the blue line twice. This is actually the full-on buy stop. This is a 1 minute, probably 5 minute. Let's take a look. Yes, it's a 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. You can see the pink line low right here. And there it is. I mean, it's going to the, I would play it to the 5. Let me see if it hit the 3 minute blue line. And Google's always a buy. Yep, there it is. Just touched this blue line. This is our This is our goal. This is where things are going to be touchdowned or not. This is where a magnetic, it's drawn to it, magical, and it 99% of the time will go up there and touch it. Then it will fall back down a little. Then it's going to do what's called a ricochet, and it's going to finish and come up to that 5-minute blue line next. So when you're trading with the system, you know which directions it's going and where it's heading to. It may not hit it, but most likely it will get extremely close. I'm pretty sure on Google, if you went up from $162.61 to $1 a share, but it didn't quite touch the 5-minute blue line, you'd be happy with $1 a share, especially if you took out quite a few contracts on Thinkorswim, or I don't even know. Do they even call it Thinkorswim anymore? Weren't they bought out yet again? I was with TD Ameritrade, whatever the fuck they call themselves these days, before Ameritrade, when TD merged with them. Before then, I've been with TD Ameritrade, like ever since. They were the, who is that guy that created the insurance company? He was a teacher. Damn it. He's the one that founded all that. I was with him back then. When I call into them, they laugh because I've been with them longer than the people who've been working there. It's kind of funny, really. I see, Mr. Crow, you've been here blah, blah, blah years. It was 22 or something. I think I'm up to like 30 years with them. And they've gone through so many name changes. Fucking crazy. But I digress. Yes, it works on McDonald's, Microsoft, Netflix, silver, gold, platinum, UK wheat and corn, anything you can chart, copper. How about Costco? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. 4-hour buy. 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop, Costco. This is your daily buy. You already had it splitting. This is about to be a really good move for one of our people. I don't know if he's in our group or not, but he's been following us a while. Don is his name. This is huge. I would play any motherfucking buy stop. This is the R-rated version of the show, not the PG. Look at the first time. Look, this is all you do. Go to the damn weeklies, hook up your sniper, and do this. Is this down low? Yep. Is this up high? Yep. First time the best. Second time it happens. Gee, and I still have people in my own family. What do you mean by the first time? The fucking first time the blue fucking line goes up and the pink line goes down. This is the second time. Guess what it's on now? The third time. So I know Don's really happy because this is about to go ballistic. I think it's still gonna pull down a little first, but whatever. You're about to play any buy stop that you see on Costco until the weekly pink line goes up to the blue. And if you can't fucking hear the words I'm saying, let me draw it the fuck out for you. When this line goes down and touches this orange and hooks and comes back up here, we are going to have a shit ton of buys to make. You're going to make so much money on Costco, you're going to make Don's $500,000 look like nothing. How do I know? Because the last fucking 10 times it did it, let me show you what it looks like. Nope, wrong one. Weekly, daily. Yep, there we go. Every time there's a call out, look, my signal service combines over up to 30 different indicators into one line. Look at it. Buy stop up, buy stop up, buy stop up, buy stop for the third time. See how it counted? So some of you, if you don't trust what I'm saying, trust your eyes. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 1, week 2, week 3. Yes, the system signal service is as good as I am, maybe even a little better because it does this unemotionally, but it's coded to my order of operations by the great Keith Palmer. And let's just show you how fucking great this thing is. I can't ever pass this up. I'm sorry. I just love this shit. The playback is just ungodly. We're going to play back Costco. I don't think I ever did Costco. I know I've done all the other ones lots of times, but let's play back Costco for you. Yes, it does buys as good as it does sells, but watch this motherfucking shit live. I'm going to show you something that's just going to blow your... If you've never seen this, hang on for a second here. Just hang on. We're going to manually push this up and no, it doesn't miss. And I don't give two fucks if you think I'm cocky or I'm cussing and you don't like it. Get the fuck out. How about that? When this gets low enough right here, you're going to see a call out. Maybe because I'm on the weekly. Yeah, might have to go to daily. We'll see. Right about here. There you go. Now, You have a call. This is a blue buy stop. Week 1 DST one's the best ones you can have. We're going to do a buy. Bop. Okay. Now we have a buy going. I'm going to lower this down just a little bit. Da 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 da. This is Costco. Mike should be saliving at the mouth on this one. All right. Right here. This is what our price is. Now, this is what I want you to watch. This right here. This is sick. Watch every time this pink line comes up to the blue line. Watch every time it comes up. Then watch price and watch your fucking money. Watch this shit. This is called the sniper. No one on earth has it. I don't give two fucks who someone says they do. There's liars. I invented it. I created it. It was extremely hard to even be coded. It's 3 things combined. It has nothing to do with your stow or anything. Watch. Watch as this pink line comes up. When it comes up, price shoots up. Watch your money. When this comes up, that's the first break. That's not the actual one. Watch. It's going to hook. It's going to come down again. Watch when it comes down again. This is amazing. What you're watching is history right here. Look at your price action. Look at your money. Now watch when this is flatlining. That's what it does when it goes up, and it's incongruent right now. Then it's going to hook and come back down right about now. It's going to hook and come down. It's going to come back. There's another buy. We can do it again. Why the fuck not? All right. Another buy. Wait for this pink line to come back up. It's going to cross up. Oh, it won't cross. Sorry, my bad. Look at it go up. Look at your price go up. Look at your money that you're trading go up. Look at it go. It's going off the fucking screen. Watch it again. This is Costco weekly. It's going to come down again. Look at the pink line come down again. It's going to call another buy right here. And now we could have went in that, but we're not going to. Now we're going to wait for this to come up again. All right. Now let's finish this out so you can see it. It's going to stop. More importantly than what you won is your win rate percentage, which is 100% on the signal service. 100% win rate. Every time it called the signal, it was correct. And watch this. This isn't the good part. What you can do now is you have safety trades inside of the weekly. What do I mean? All of these trades were correct. On the way up, the very first time, second time, and now going to be the third time. As this is coming up, you're going to see trade after trade after trade correct. What the fuck? Hold on. Hold on. Just wait a second. Wait till you see what you see. You're going to be crazy. Da, 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 da. I'm going to mark this one right here. We're going to go from this. Da, 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 da. Watch this shit. Watch what you're about to see. You're going to have a safety trade inside of a safety trade. So let me be clear. You have well, here, I'll show you on both charts. I'll show you where you can see it easily. Watch this fucking shit. Look at how fucking cool this system is. It's utterly, stunningly accurate and amazing. Look, let's go to, I'm going to pull this over for those of you on TikTok. Look, right here, we have our weekly pink line coming up. Watch as it comes up. All the call outs you're going to see, and this is just hourly. If I go down to the lower time frames, which is the 30-second, you would have hundreds. As this pink line comes up, watch all these green call outs, buy. And by the way, if there is red, that's correct. It's just a lower time frame. We're not trading those. Buy. As it comes up. Look at it all over and over. And it does it again. And it does it again on this one right here coming up. And if we turn on the lower time frame ones, you're going to have an insane number. Hold on, let me get this one over. Da 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 da. Look at this. Okay, now every green and blue and green are buys. This is insane. Every one of them. And the reason why they're so damn accurate is because it can take some consideration. So if we turned off these faster ones, which is fair because you have to, those are scalping ones for you. You're not going to do that shit. We're going to turn these off. we're going to turn the daily hourlies off. And if you just leave these on, as these ones come at you correctly, this is your daily. It's insanity what you'll see. There it is. Over and over again. This is Costco. We didn't even look at Costco, I think, till like 2 weeks ago. We only did it because somebody came online and asked us to look, and he made an extremely good call. I think he called out something else too while I was at it. I forgot what the other one was. But there it is. So Costco, current and live, unbelievable buy. Play any buy stop on Costco from what? From 15 seconds to daily, period. Play every one. Costco is that good. Now, it is the third time, but it's still extremely good. I would absolutely play that. What's up, Jan? Oh, it's now Charles Shaw. Thank you, Craig. Hey, Kev, caught the sell to the 1 hour blue line you called this morning. Thank you. Nice, Stealth. Congratulations, Stealth. I'm very glad. Excellent. Great risk reward, Craig Williams. Naz is up big too. Yep, Craig, it is. Nice. All right. Anybody have any questions on TikTok or YouTube? Because this is fun as fuck. Anybody want me to check any other symbol out? It works on over 1,000 symbols. There's a lot of symbols on here. I don't even know what the fuck they're talking about. Like, I still don't know. This guy called out like this one? Palantir Technologies? I don't know what the fuck that is. You don't have to know. Just put it up there and read the damn charts. Amazon's always a buy. Ethereum, let's see, is Ethereum fucked around yet? Hold on. We were waiting for Ethereum 12 hour to finish. Aha. Yep, told you. Told you. Who told you Ethereum to the 12-hour blue line? Where's Larry at? Where's Larry at? Who told you that Ethereum wasn't done going down, that we had to finish out? I'm sorry we do. It just had to happen. I don't like it, but it had to do it. And Ethereum hit its blue line, ricocheted, came back up, and there it is. Today it went down and hit it. Who here? Sevens, if you guys remember me saying it. I know a lot of you have worse short-term memory than I do. Look, this is what was called out, and that's when it was way up here. And that's what it did today. Went down and touched the fucking 12-hour blue line. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. I'm going to go get a Gatorade. Ryan remembers it. Thank you. No one on TikTok remembers it? Really? Only one person on, I've been saying 12-hour sell stop for the last, 2 or 3 days on Ethereum to the 12-hour blue line. Da, 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 da. All right, I hope there's a few more sevens up there. Otherwise, I can probably lay down and take a nap, man. Precious are heading out to see a little club tonight. We're doing a little club. We don't drink. Oh, that's good right there. Damn, is that good and cold? All right. And you apologize to Larry. Yes, that is true, Filio. That is true. I remember it. Good afternoon. What's up, Kim? Kim, the Candle Envy Lady. Good afternoon, Kim. And Jan. All right, cool. Are you dancing and singing now? Yes, I am, but you can't see the dance. I was just dancing. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You mentioned it a few times, says Tony. Yeah, you'd say that as an understatement. All right. Oh, let me turn this off. Sorry. Da 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 da. The signal service. Love it. Signal service is on fire. Not only are you getting all the signals you're supposed to be getting, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, look at how many. Dailies. Look at this. 90 new messages, 91 new messages since August 23rd for your daily signals, hourly. Lower time frame. Over 319 signals called. 319 signals called since August 27th on your lower time frames. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a hint. Probably 300 of them were accurate. And probably 319 of them were accurate, actually. Look at all the signals that were called out. La da da da. So all of these are given to you. If you're in tier 1, you get up to 20 of them for $150 a month plus the sniper $150. If you're in tier 2, you get wait a second. It's 10 and then 20, I think. 10 for tier 1, 20 for tier 2, and then unlimited for tier 3, and you get these on your charts. You get the actual indicators right on your charts. Now, also, after that was completed and done, listen to me. If you're in tier 1, you get an additional 10 Almost Holy Grail trade signals for free. Almost Holy Grail signals are exceptionally good signals. These are the ones that are just about as good as can't miss, but I don't have a competing thing, so I can't really say they are. But they are extremely good. They won't happen often, but they will happen. First time signals, also called the Ricky Bobby Room, are extremely good. These were 2 free upgrades from Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. 1 and 2, period. Coded by the great Keith Palmer. Then we have the Holy Grail, which is supposedly a signal that cannot miss. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. You get 1 in tier 1, tier and 2 tier. You get unlimited Holy Grail signals, tier 3 each month. That is done. All of these are called these particular groups: Holy Grail, Almost Holy Grail, and Ricky Bobby. Those are called market order entries. You can hit the signal and hit the fucking button and it will be right. These other tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, you have to match up heroes you don't want to know. It's not complicated, but there's a couple of you, well, one of you specifically that had an issue with that. So we currently have all of these active. All rooms are firing. You can take the Almost Holy Grail trade in the first time signal room, Ricky Bobby, and the Holy Grail trade at market order. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, normal signals like these 300, you have to follow simple little rules. But again, I know that was complicated for some of you, so I completely did away with them in the future rooms. And not only that, we're making currently, Keith is making an H&H scanner. And not only that, but boy, do we have some fucking huge news. And I'm going to give you a hint. And this is a fact right here. We are working on something that will only be available, and I mean it, and I don't give 2 fucks who begs and cries and pleads. If you are not in any of the tiers, or the sniper room when this is released, you will not be able to get it. I'm not going to name what it is, but I'm going to give you a holy fucking hell. What we're working on, Keith and I, and of course my lovely wife Bree, what we're working on is something I don't know. All I know is the Holy Grail is incredible. Impossible to miss. The Almost Holy Grail is near impossible to miss. The first time room, the Ricky Bobby room, is almost impossible to miss. And is there something better? Yes, coming. It's based on the Holy Grail, but I can't tell you what it is. But those of you who are in tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3, or in the sniper, have the sniper itself, will only be available to sell for you guys. If you're not in those rooms, I don't give a fuck how much you offer me. I guess unless it's a mill. If you offer me $1 million, I'll sell it to you. But other than that, if you're not in tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3, or the sniper room when I release this, and this is going to be, wow, I can't say anything about it, but you'll be able to get it if you're in those rooms. And the reason I'm doing this is because the Holy Grail trades happen very infrequently. They don't miss, but you might get one every 2 months, maybe two in a month, maybe one in 3 months. So the Holy Grail trades don't happen that often. It's very slow. It's very precise. It's very exact. That's why it doesn't miss, right? But when they happen, they just hit. So I had to figure out a way to get you guys to make some more money frequently, more regular. That's the almost Holy Grail trades, right? That's the Ricky Bobby first time signals, which combine everything in tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and put them into this room so you can follow them easier. But I'm like, I really want to help them out with something. So me and Keith are currently working on something. It's going to be, besides the H&H scanner, which is coming next, it's going to be something else. That's all I can tell you. I'm trying to make it so even the most bad luck trader in the world, even people who are upset with the system, oh, it doesn't work, I can't make money with it, even those people can't fuck it up and will make money with it. That's what I'm trying for. And I think we're about there, where we can make it extremely I don't want to say certain things, but it's going to be very, very, very good. Extremely good. Oh, look, my little brother's calling. My brother. I wonder if he wants to be on the live. Hey, Uncle Mike, you're on a live. How's the desert life treating you? Oh, it's terrible. We're on a live. It's treating us fantastic, Mike and Mike.
Okay, well, listen, just give us a holler. Good luck, everybody. Listen close. Make some money.
All right, I'll call y'all back. I'm probably all done here anyways, unless they have questions. All right, love y'all. Love you. All right, bye. All right, that was my brother. He's up in Ohio. Yeah, he's up there for a few weeks himself, actually. We're in Vegas for we're in Vegas for a month in September. It hasn't even started. We've been in Vegas for I think a little over a week, like 9 days or something like that. Wow, look at this shit. Look at this beautiful call right here. Play any buy stops on US 30 until the pink line hits the blue line right here. Play any buy stops, NAS, until the weekly pink line hits the blue line right here. Play any buy stops, SPX, until the pink line hits the blue line right here. Play any buy stops, gold, well, it's kind of finishing, until the pink line hits the blue line. And we've been calling this since July 25th. It's right up here. You can clearly see that. Until it hits that. Oil, I don't like. I'm not going to call it. EURUSD, love it, but not on this level. Let me see. ERU, it's not done yet. See, I told you. See this dip down here? It looked like it was going to come up. It's not. Let this pink line come down to this orange line right here. Then we're going to play every buy stop, just like we did here. We're going to play every buy stop on ERUSD. Not yet. We'll pause on that for just a second. GBP JPY, it's the monthly, weekly? Yeah. Play any buy stop you can once this is finished going down, which is kind of where it is, until this pink line goes up and touches this orange line on GBP JPY. AUD USD, it's literally happening as you speak. Play any buy stop you can find from 5-second to daily. If you don't know what a buy stop, it's a pending order. Go ask your broker. They'll tell you. It's very simple. You play a buy stop. You get in. Look at this fucking pink line to the blue. This is gorgeous. This is perfection. Play any buy stop you can find from 15-second to daily until this weekly goes up and touches this blue. Period. It may not be a lot. You see this right here, how it came up. You might not think that's a lot. At arch, our entry would have been somewhere around here. Let's see. Somewhere around this spot when it crossed there. And it went up to there. 231 pips, over 200 pips on AUD USD, which is incredible. And you already would have probably made more than that already on this one. And this is it. So play any buy stop, AUD USD. And if you don't know what a buy stop is, you need to buy the system. If you don't know what an actual order buy stop is, ask your broker. They'll tell you. USD CAD negative. I don't give two fucks. It's a buy stop on XRP until this blue line goes all the way up. I don't care. Ethereum, we've already talked about it. It was a 12-hour sell. Now what you can look for Ethereum is, it's got to finish the sell. I'm not comfortable with that. Once it finishes its sell, let me show you. We'll go over to Bitcoin. Once it finishes its sell, Bitcoin and Ethereum, buy stop until the Bitcoin pink line touches the blue line. This gap is filled in. This goes up. How low is this going to go? I don't know. It's going to go a little lower, I'll tell you that. And then look for the buy again. This is going to be a buy on Bitcoin, period. It's going to dip more. It's not done dipping. I get that. Amazon's just a buy. I don't give two fucks whatever it does. And there's your callouts. And that's how you read them. I would stick up here at the weekly, daily level. Too many of you try to play in those 5 seconds, 10 seconds like I do. I do that for entertainment purposes only. That's where it's fun. I can get you guys to see very fast, very, very fast how these 5 second, 10 seconds move. But the same exact principle holds true for NAS right here on the weekly. Boom, boom, boom. NAS holds true on the weekly as it does hold true on GBP, JPY, 10 seconds. The exact same trades occur using the exact same principles. It just happens to be faster. So if I'm trading, for instance, GBP, JPY, and I'm on the 5 second movement, it's the exact same setups. I can just see them faster and call them faster, so it keeps your guys' attention so that you'll take and buy the system to learn how to trade. But once this is done, I don't trade down here. I go up to, well, hell, I trade the dailies and weeklies. I go up to daily and weeklies. I told my youngest child to go ahead and hunt for these exact setups right here, like you see right here happening on GBP, JPY. Blue line high, pink line low. First time is the best. Don't care whether that's SPX. Don't care whether that's NAS. Don't care whether that's US 30. Don't care whether that's gold. Doesn't matter to me. You just hunt for these on the weekly using the sniper and you'll be right. Eventually, I'll break through a lot of your skulls. Right now, I'm fighting a lot of you. Well, I want to trade on the 1 minute because you're addicted to gambling. That's what it is. All right. All done. All the extras are just so appreciated. Thanks, Kevin Bree. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Matt. Appreciate that. Good afternoon, Matt. You're welcome, Stacy. What's up, JL? I'm doing wonderful in Vegas for a month. It's actually, I guess it's going to be like a month and a half, 2 months. I don't know. We're here for a while. Should we wait for AUD USD? Let me see. Until the daily reloads. Let's see. Yeah, well, you want to play, this is to be exactly specific to your question, Jan. You want to play any buy stop you can from 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 10 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, till this daily blue line is touched. It's actually forming our logo right now. It's hooking back down, and then it's going to hook back up and go up. Exactly like it did on ERUSD right back here. Exactly like it did. This is where you're at. This is exactly where it's at. Boop, like this. Boop, 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 boop. That's what you're seeing here on AUD USD is what happened on EUR USD. You're right in this first middle one of our first logo right here. It's going to hook down a little bit more, and then it's going to come up. So to answer your question, what it's going to look like is you'll see this, unless it flatlines and goes straight up, nothing you can do. You'll see this right here. You'll see this purple line that's right here come down like this. Okay. And then you're going to see the blue line come across like this. This is exactly what's going to happen on AUD USD. You'll see it drawn out like this. So when it did, I drew this out for EUR USD. I drew this out for gold. I drew this out for US 30. I've drawn this out for NAS and SPX. This is exactly what's going to happen. Okay. This is exactly what's going to happen. Exactly. There's no other way around it. This is what's going to happen. doop. It's going to hook, and then it's going to come back up. Price action over here. It's going to form our logo. It's going to do this right here, like this. Come up like that, and then it's going to touch this blue line. And then, in my opinion, it's going to go over the blue line, but that's more opinion. Fact is this. This is what's going to happen in the future. So this is why you want to play. It's not a matter of reloading. Just follow the rules for your 1 minute, 3 minute, 15-second buys. And if you follow the rules, you'll see it look like this. Or if you have the signal service will start calling out trades once the pink line comes down. Yep, easy peasy. So that's how I play AUDUSD. It's just amazing. If you don't want to do all of that, let me show you something even easier. Watch this shit. If you don't want to do all that, all you have to do is split the difference. I'd put my buy stop 0.68132 or something around there on AUD USD, and I'd put it there, and it splits the difference. It'll go up to the blue line, and then you don't have to worry about anything. It's just going to go to the blue line or get super closer than it is. Let me put it that way. Split the difference. Now, that's not per rules. That's just per me telling you common sense, but it'll work. You're welcome, Jan. All right. Is there any questions on TikTok or YouTube? I'm going to go ahead and give you one final explanation if there isn't any. This is called learning and earning. The earning part is I made you a shit ton of money on a whole bunch of trades. On US 30 today, right now, NAS right now, SPX right now, and gold. We're up $4 an ounce on gold, for instance, alone. And now I'm going to show you exactly how these trades work. And it is so fucking cool. I want to be a billionaire so fucking bad. All right, so I'm going to teach you all how to trade. This might take about 20, 30 minutes. It might take 5 minutes. It depends on how we go with things. Okay? So I'm going to teach you all how to trade in 2 seconds, and then I'm going to give you the explanation of why it works. Here's the 2 seconds. Anytime, here it is. Wait, I'm going to show you in 2 seconds. Here we go. 1 second, 2 seconds. That's how you trade. That's it. Blue line high, pink line low on a weekly. That's it. First time it happens, you can't lose. I will take this trade and put it up against any trader in the world that trades Forex or stocks, including Kramer. If Kramer has enough guts to come on, I'm sure he does because the guy's got bigger balls than anyone. He's wrong so much, but I'll give him credit. At least he's out there trying. Any prediction he makes, I'll take this first-time trade on any symbol that I approve of, because I don't know some of those weird-ass symbols out there. I don't know what they are. But any of the major stuff that I trade regularly, when this first happens, it'll win. He won't. I'll win. I don't care who the fucking trader is in the world. This trade will win. I don't care about earnings. I don't care about news. I don't care about anything fucking at all. If there is number one blue line high on my Stiper, number two for the very first time pink line is low, it will win. Hundreds of dollars an ounce on gold. It's like $400 or $500 an ounce on gold. Hundreds and thousands of pips on US 30. Hundreds of pips on NAS. Hundreds of pips on SPX. Hundreds of dollars on Ethereum. Hundreds of dollars on Bitcoin. Hundreds of dollars on Amazon. It doesn't matter what the symbol is, as long as it's large enough and not some piss-ass shit I never heard of. I'll take this trade against any trader in the world. Matter of fact, I have a signal service that calls this trade. I will pit my signal service against any one of you traders out there. Come on. I think we should make a TV show out of this. I do. I think we should have Kramer on there with me, him trying to trade 5-second trades, 10-second trades, saying it can't be done, and me doing 5-second trades and 10-second trades while he's sitting there telling me it can't be done, and I'm right every time. That's what I'd like to see happen. Wouldn't that be fun? You'd either see me crash and burn, which I haven't crashed and burned in 2 years on YouTube, over 2,000 videos, or you see whoever I'm trading against crash and burn, and I think that'd be funny as fuck. I don't care who the trader is. I don't care if they do volume, VWAP, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges. Oh yeah, I know all this shit. I've been trading for 10 years. None of it works. What else doesn't work? Everything. Naming of candles. This is the stupidest thing I've ever heard of. Fibonacci. Also the second stupidest thing I've ever heard of. There's no such thing as Fibonacci when it comes to, it's beautiful in nature. It has nothing to do with trading. Yep. My signal service will defeat any other. It's not me bragging, just being factual. I give God all the credit. God is just what's made the system. When I'm done explaining it to you, you'll see why I believe in God because of the system. Matter of fact, one of our members actually turned to God because of this. He was an atheist before. I know it sounds odd, but all I can explain is it's something other than me making these calls. That's all I can tell you. I'm a vessel for God, and it's amazing what he does. So where I'm pointing out that's all you need to know for training, for learning how to trade. You don't need to know support and resistance. You don't need to know volume. You don't need to know trend. You don't need to know butterfly patterns, Thor's hammer. I make that one up. You don't need to know railroad cars. You don't need to know Head and Shoulders, biggest bullshit on the face of earth. One of the people out there, Head and Shoulders has an 83% win rate. Until you actually look at the studies and then has a negative win rate and doesn't win at all and you lose money. No, there is no patterns that work. They're too subjective. What's not subjective is this system. Literally, I have a signal service based on it. It never retraces exactly right, and it is just what it is. It trades exactly like I do. So 1 and 2, that's all you need to know. That's how you trade. Blue line high, pink line low, first time on a weekly. That's it. That's all you need. Okay? Now, if you want to get in a little more detail of why this works, let me explain to you why it works. Watch. This is, and I won't keep us long on this because I know a lot of you have seen it, but I don't give a fuck. You need to get this until you're all millionaires. Once you're millionaires, quit listening to the word I'm fucking saying. Using my system, and there's 2 of you that became millionaires. I know that for a fact. Tommy and Jay. This is it. This is raw. This is what the charts look like. On the left, impossible to know what the fuck it's going to do unless you have the system. On the right, impossible to know what it's going to do unless you have the system daily. This is gold. Weekly on the left, daily. This is raw. This is what they give you when you first start out. This is how badly they cheat, by the way. How the fuck is anyone supposed to know what the fuck this shit is going to do? No one knows. No one knows. No one knows. So then, of course, we open up, let's go to the indicators. Let's go to technicals. This is such bullshit. They should be thrown in jail for saying this shit. There's nothing technical about a 24-hour volume. There's nothing technical about an auto fib retracement. There's nothing oh my God, the pitchfork is the biggest pile of shit there is. There's nothing technical about a pitchfork. There's nothing, the awesome oscillator is neither awesome and it is not technical. Bollinger Bands, they look pretty, but they're not technical. I've tried all of these. It's a joke, or nearly all of these. Okay, a regular EMA is fine, but it's not a technical indicator. There's your EMA exponential. But these are not technical. They make it sound like somehow these are blah, 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 blah. This is a reversal. This is an RSI. This is a stochastic stow. This is technical. This is a stow in RSI. Whoa. This is the technical super trend. This is a technical ultimate oscillator. Get the fuck out of here. Every one of us has tried these bullshit fucking indicators and they all suck and you all fucking lose. 99% of the time, every one of these fucking things lose. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You lose, you lose, you lose. You try this bullshit, you lose. Then you go under to what? Then you say, well, I'm going to go under these strategies done by these great people out here. And I'm going to learn what they do. And then there's these patterns. The bearish flag pattern. There's not even such thing as a fucking flag. The bullish flare play. Oh, but there's an inverted. Oh, there's a double bottom. Okay, a W, whatever. There's also a triple bottom. What the fuck do you do then? No, the bearish pennant. Yeah, This is your falling wedge. You're right. Get the fuck. We all tried them. None of those fucking indicators work. Nah, the IM Academy or IMF, whatever the fuck they're called, doesn't work. Don't give me no shit. Let everybody try everything. I tried them. Try it. If you get it to work, great. It doesn't work. Period. Doesn't work. So if you're looking at these raw charts, you try learning from gurus, don't work. Learning from indicators, don't work. I lost for 2 to 2.5 years, $26,500. I lost every damn trade I did. None of those things fucking helped. And eventually, when I was using actually EUR, USD, and Unishuff, I started to go opposites. I thought, well, what the fuck, maybe I can do that. And I was about the hour and 15 minute, those time frames. And I started to get some trades right. And I started to figure out, well, how can I see it easier? How can I see when I was right? How can I see when I was right? How can I? And I kept looking and had my own indicators made. I made some indicators. I paid for indicators. And then eventually, and I mean after a fuck ton, a long time, and I mean over a fucking year, eventually, I was able to come up with these color coordinated indicators. And these color coordinated indicators are set up for green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. What is a buy stop? You put a pending order up here and you wait for your trade and it goes up. It's as simple as that. So watch what happens. With these indicators, I'm going to show you right here. Watch this shit. I'm going to actually move this one over, even though I called that live. We're going to move this over to here. Now watch what happens. Your weekly and your daily play together. It's amazing. The weekly controls the daily. When you see the blue line high and the pink line low, which is what I started with this on. This is how you trade. I'm giving you every trick in the book, every possible thing to help you all make money. When it does this, when the weekly goes down on the pink, it forms the daily buy stop. Not many of you understand that. Not many of you catch that when I talked about this before. This should be a huge aha moment for you. Let me be clear and state this again. When the weekly sniper goes down, it'll form the buy stop on the daily. Am I clear on that subject? Yeah, I know he trashes and burns daily. He does. Sevens, if I'm clear on this subject. Listen to me loudly. When there's the peak at the bottom, when the falling knife is done falling, there is a buy stop at the end of that peak, which would be technically right over here. So it's this one. At the very bottom, there is a buy stop on the weekly daily. There's also a daily 4-hour when it happens. There's also a 4-hour, 1 hour when it happens. There's also a 1 hour, 10-minute, or 15-minute when it happens. Listen to what I'm telling you. Listen to what I'm telling you. Please understand this, Jacob and JL and Filio and Matt. When this is at its very peak, watch, we're going to come over to this one without me seeing it, and look what it looks like. We're going to put this at the very peak, watch, right here. And watch what it looks like. Oh, what do you know? There is a daily buy stop. This is your sniper in daily buy stop. If you guys just understood that and had the system in the sniper, you wouldn't need the signals. You wouldn't need any other rules. This is all you fucking need. 1 and 2. Every time the pink line pulls against the weekly blue and it goes down and touches or near touches the orange at the number 2 level, you'll see a daily buy stop. How much more freeing is it to know that? I don't want to hear any bullshit. Well, the 1 second and the 5 second and the 10 second. I'm telling you a trade, and I don't give 2 fucks. You guys go look through 1,000 symbols. You show me where this happens to occur the first time, and you tell me that there isn't a buy stop up here, and I'll say I'm fucking wrong. I'm never going to say I'm wrong. I'm going to say I'm right every time, because every time there's going to be this. Period. I don't care if it's Ethereum. I don't care if it's Bitcoin. I don't care if it's fucking CAD Japan. The very first time you fucking see this fucking thing right here, watch and learn. It could be in a fill in the gap. I don't care which. Let me see which one we're at. There's your buy stop, and it's right here. Right there. You just have to find the low. I don't know our lowest point. Probably right there. you'd have to open up the actual, there's a settings you can see where your lowest points are. And that's it. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me see if we can get this one. Yeah, it's a fill in the gap. And that's all you're going to do. Everyone, I don't care if it's EUR, AUD. We're going to wait for the very first time it happened right here. Let's look. Let's drive this fucking point home so no one can deny this. There it is. Both golds are lined up. There it is. This is your first time, blue line high, pink line low. There's your blue line low also to match it. There's your buy stop. And there it is going up. Every fucking time. I don't care what. Let's look at some of those shitty ass little fucktard things somebody asked me to look at. What were they? They were those weird ass shit. What? Oh, that's Charles Schwab. That's not small. This fucking thing right here. What is this thing? I can't even do it. It doesn't even have enough history. Give me some. Let's look at wheat. I don't know. It doesn't have enough history. Corn. Doesn't have enough history. USD, JPY. You fucking name one time it happens. I'll show you every time it does. This isn't low enough, by the way. This will probably be a fill in the gap. This right here will be it. Nope, it's not. It's still the thing. Oh my God. This isn't even low enough to count technically. But there's still a buy stop, blue line. There every fucking time. I don't care if it's silver. I don't care if it's bells. I don't care if it's Santa. I don't care if it's Christmas. If you can chart it, the very first time it happens, sorry, let's get rid of that one. It'll do it. Period. It'll do it. I don't give two fucks. You can deny it. All you want is happening right now as you speak, actually. What the fuck is this? There's going to be a buy stop right here. And there is, and it's up. It's you got to wait for it to finish, but it's currently happening. I don't even know what the shit thing is here. Here's one right here. I don't know that lowest spot. Yeah, there is your buy stop right there. What is that? Silver. There it is. You want to go to Schwab? Let's look at Schwab. I don't know any of these. Here's another one. It's not really low enough, but it'll still form. See, this is what it looks like with a fill in the gap. It's the same thing. You guys are not strong enough to understand what that means. But this is your fill in the gap right here. This is a fill in the gap. It's kind of, I don't know. Did that turn red right there? Oh, yeah. There is a red bar right there. Hold on. Yep. Right there. There is a red bar right there. So it is still a buy stop. But nonetheless, fill in the gap works the same way. It's just not low enough. First time it happens, that's on Schwab. I don't care, New Zealand. Find a fucking symbol. What the fuck? This ivermectin? What is this? What's IVZ? Invesco. All right, let's see what an Invesco is. What's an Invesco? Here's one. I don't even like this. It's shittier than shit, but we're going to have something here. Yeah, it just went up a little, but that's still a buy stop. The reason why it's shitty is because it didn't drop right away. So I don't know what an Invesco is. That's a sell right there. But here's a nice one right here. See, it has to drop to the bottom. Let me be clear on this. You want the blue to stay high, pink and purple to come down, the pink to touch. And when this touches right here, I don't even know what this fucking stock is, whatever this fucking pile of shit thing is, there's your buy guarantee. Told you, it doesn't matter. It cannot not happen. Let me be clear on that. It cannot not happen. There's your blue line dipped with it. Boom. There's your green, 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 red. Buy stop. There it is going up. I don't give two fucks. So when someone tells me I can't trade, I tell them to go to the weekly, daily, and only trade this trade, and they still lose money. I say, fucking bullshit. You can't. There it is. Thank you, High Tech. Invesco is NASDAQ. Well, that can't be true because there's no way. It's not the same. Let's go to current and see. And it's saying the same as. Not as clean. I would trade NAS. Use NAS to trade Invesco then because there's no way. NAS is way cleaner. I would trust this. Buy stop, by the way, if I didn't mention it. Play it again. Do a daily, weekly buy. Play any buy stop on NAS, SPX 30 that you can find until the weekly, like it literally was just fucking talking about right here, right there. Pink comes back up. It'll come back up. It'll fill this gap. And if I didn't teach you this is another thing. Want to see some fucking other cool things with this shit? Watch this fucking shit. Watch this shit. I want to get one that's nice and clean for you. Right here. This one will be. Let's go back. This one. All right, cool. Right where we're at. All right, this is what you got. Well, I don't like having my lines already, and I don't want to really confuse. I did it again. All right, we'll do this one. Watch. This is so fucking cool. Let's move this over to here. Okay. This is so cool that when you're at the very bottom, you're going to have a gap here. Let me show you. I'm going to zoom this open a little for you. When you're at the very bottom, you're going to have a space between the green, the black space, and the yellow byline. When it's there, you're going to see this red histogram bars, this blob of redness right here, this thing right here, fits into this space right here. Right there. It's a missing puzzle piece. It is so fucking cool. The red fits into this. Fuck me. That's insanity how this works. So this is the 1, 2. The blue comes down. This blue right here is the pink, which is another insanity thing if you guys ever think about it. You can see green, 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 red. This red fits in over here. All of this is green, including and not limited to our candles. The green line is changed from red to green. The Bach are both green. Then you come over to here, the logo, the both green, the orange is above, the orange is above, the orange is above the yellow, the fill in the gap here. This is your gap that's filled in with red, green, 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 space, green, 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 red, green, green, up, up, up. This is separated blue, blue. This is your pink down here. So this is literally, you want me to count all the things you have? Let's go over it. You have your logo over here, boop. You have your logo over here, boop. You have our orange line high here. You have your orange line high here above the other two. You have the other green coordinator green line switched. You have the green line switched here. You have 2 box right here. You have 2 box right here, green. You have on the right is your daily, on your left is your weekly. You have your fill in the gap space right here. It's filled in with this right here. You have the green histogram bars. You have 1, 2, 3 real direction bar here. 1, 2, 3 real direction bars here. You have the most important thing right here, blue line high, pink line low. You have the blue line low here. And that's not, the candles are both green, by the way. The candles are both green right here. And that's not even all the reads. They can be going to the blue lines, blah, 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 blah. But if you want to go ahead and count these all up again, we have 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And I can get us over to 30. So my system has over 30 indicators telling you this is all a buy. There's no way in fucking hell this trade was going to go down. It didn't go down. It went up, and there was no chance in fucking hell this trade could have went down. Period. If God wanted it to go down, it'll go down. Other than God, there's no way this trade was going down. None. There's 23 reasons for it to go up, 0 reasons for it to go down. 23 reasons for it to go up, 0 to go down. 23 up, 0 down. 23 up, 0 down. Well, I can't follow 23. You talk too fast. You cuss too much. I don't understand anything. I don't see how I can do any of it. Good. Buy the signal service. Literally by itself with one little line, it'll tell you if it's going to go up or not. Simple as that. Right here. There's your line. All of everything I've ever learned, all of these things right here, all 23 things right here are in this one blue line or this blue line, period. Everything, it's too much, then good. Buy the signal service. That line contains any and all indicators possible. It's telling you it's a buy. It's going to go up. It's going to be a buy. And that's it. I'm done. Mic drop. No one can argue. Argue if you want. There's nothing you can do. This is how you trade. Everyone will learn this trading system. We have record number of people signed up for email alerts. We have record number of people watching. We have record number of people buying the system. We have record number of people in the system. We have a record number of people in the signals and signal alerts. We have a record number of people in the snipers. We have a record number of people in the Discord rooms. We are flourishing. We literally, this is the funniest test I could have of all. One of our guys, Ken, was in one of our members, Ken, is in a bar in Cincinnati, Ohio. He has the charts open up on his thing, the safe trade open on his thing. He goes, some guy comes up to him. He came on our live the other day, Razor or something, came up on our TikTok and goes, I was, is that the safety trade system? Can you imagine how far we've come in the last 2.5, 3 years? 3 years on TikTok, 2 years on YouTube. It's just growing exponentially. You guys are on the bottom floor. You guys are going to be taken up to the heights you've never seen. We just now, and it's not even officially launched, the Holy Grail trades are out for you guys. Who's ever in the signal rooms, the almost Holy Grails are out for you guys. None of them have been called yet, but they're coming. And they're going to be so accurate in their trades. They're done, they're coded, they're active. We're just waiting for them to read the right trades and they'll be called out. The Ricky Bobby rooms. We have one more little scanner coming called the H&H scanner, which I'll leave you guys with some free trades on that. And then we have something that's just going to be, you guys are all going to be very happy. That's all I can tell you. Oh, we have nothing to call. All right. I can't call these right now. If I was going to look at anything, I would say sell. I'd have to look at those and I don't want to. The only way the H&H scanner is going to work, by the way, the only way it works is when they're all one direction for a long period of time. And then we're going to call the opposite that overnight. But right now, that's not anything that we're going to do. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? If you have trouble with trading, buy the signal service. You can get it while you buy the system and get the signal service. It tells you when to trade. If you want to learn how to trade, buy the system and learn how to trade. You don't need me. You don't need anyone. Just fucking learn how to trade. Fish for yourself. I've been trying for that for years and years. I'm desperately trying to help all of you learn to trade. Desperately. I'm doing everything I can. Thank you, Blue Tide Acrylics. Thank you, Jacob. All right. Anybody else? All right, TikTok. Gotta run. God bless you all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. I guarantee I'm not going to be on later tonight. Me and Bree are going to go have some fun. All right. God bless. Talk to y'all later on TikTok. YouTube, any questions? YouTubers, any questions? That was fun. That was really fun. What's up, Raider Trader? It was a fun morning. Well, afternoon. Sorry. That was fun. I love that. I'd like to do the little buy stop again on golds, GBP, JPY. I'd love to use that replay. It's so fun to see the signals work. They're so fucking fantastic. All right. Buy the system. Made $2,300 in last year. Nice. Yay. Standing O for Rhino Trader. Congratulations, Rhino Trader. I don't even know your name. That's funny. God bless, Jan. Have a good weekend too. God bless, Kim. Have a good weekend too. Tony, have a good weekend too. Ron, you're welcome. Have a good weekend. Filio, you're welcome, Filio. Have a good weekend too. I'm late to the party, but I'll review the video. I think it was a good one, Raider Trader. I don't think it was too long either. I think you might enjoy it. All right. God bless y'all. Have a great, great weekend. I might be on in the morning tomorrow. That's maybe. Don't know about that. Probably not. Maybe Sunday, though. All right. God bless you guys. Talk to y'all later. Thank you for everything.